Hi, and welcome back to AutoCAD Electrical Pro. In today's video, we're going to take a quick look at the differences between AutoCAD Electrical and standard AutoCAD. First, I need to install AutoCAD. In the same way as any other Autodesk tool, you go to the Autodesk site, you log in, you go to the Products and Services page. People will refer to AutoCAD as standard AutoCAD, regular AutoCAD, normal AutoCAD, but it's just trying to differentiate between the numerous versions that exist. AutoCAD was the original CAD software, first released way back in 1982. It wasn't until 2003 that Autodesk introduced the AutoCAD Electrical, building on the same core platform but adding tools specifically for electrical design. Now that the installation is finished, I can finally go and start it up. I'm gonna find it, AutoCAD. You have to be very careful when you're trying to find it because the logos are pretty much the same, only changing the three letters from CAD and ELC to differentiate between the two of them. So this is AutoCAD. I'm gonna open the drawing so I can activate the tabs and the menus. And what I'll do now is I will activate all the available tabs and then I will go to AutoCAD Electrical and activate all the tabs there and then compare them. Now that I have AutoCAD open, I can go ahead and open AutoCAD Electrical. Very similar, the environment. I will need to first open a drawing. Now I can see all the tabs. And as I said, I can see some of the tabs, but there's a few more that I can activate and make visible. And going through this manual process of adding all the tabs that are available in AutoCAD Electrical, I can already tell that there are a few more in the electrical version. Now we have both AutoCAD Electrical and AutoCAD open, the electrical version at the top. You can see all the tabs, and if we start looking from left to right, you'll see Home, Insert, Annotate, Parametric, 3D Tools, Visualize, View, Manage, Output, and then you have Project on the electrical version. Project relates to projects for electrical designs. Then you have Schematic, which is also exclusive of AutoCAD Electrical, which has to do with electrical schematics. Panel relates to the physical representation of electrical components. Reports allows you to extract data such as lists of components, lists of terminals, details about wiring, and other types of electrical properties. Import-export data is, again, relating to electrical devices like PLCs and connections with other programs. Electromechanical allows you to create a link with the design tool Inventor. Conversion tools allows you to pick up geometrical shapes or elements that don't have electrical properties into symbols with electrical attributes or lines that could become wires amongst other options. And add-ins collaborate are in both. Automation is only on regular AutoCAD and it relates with macros you can run on it. Express tools are available in both, and featured apps is also present in both. AutoCAD Electrical gives you more capability and still covers all the geometric work you would want to do in regular AutoCAD. Put simply, Electrical can do everything standard AutoCAD can, but not the other way around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.